going to show you how to print the help list or menu list on a Ricoh 5210. In case you need to print the help list and maybe your screen's dead or you're not sure how to get to it, you just hit menu once, and you hit the down key twice, hit OK, hit the down key 5 times I believe, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you hit OK. That will print your menu list, or HP calls it a help list, and it'll show you a directory on how to get to items. Pardon the dust, I just cleaned it. So one other thing on these, if it's making a knocking noise, because I know when I first got this one it was making a knocking noise, didn't sound healthy, but I thought maybe it was normal. This little tab here, if this tab here is on the down position, I suppose it's for thicker envelopes. It has like a pickup or something. Makes a horrible racket though. You just flip that up, and it's a little heavy. Flip that up, it should make it quiet. And that's about all I've learned on these. Seems like a pretty good printer. Hope this helps.